The Tale of Naruto Uzumaki. Yes, that is a nice ring.
Round 2 on the muffler shop. We're gonna go get resonators installed because it's too raspy. I mean, it's not. A lot of people will like this. Honestly,
it's not raspy. It's too high pitched.
Yeah, there you go.
It's that trumpet sound. We don't want that. We don't
Facts.
want that.
So we got vibrant resonators. Hopefully, it makes it deeper. I know it will.
Definitely will.
But definitely will. A lot of people will love how it sounds like right now, but we both definitely want like the deeper sound.
We have our own personal
preference.
Perfect. There you go.
Yeah.
But
so go ahead.
We'll put the link in the description for like the vibrant resonators.
These are the best resonators you could get.
And affordable.
And affordable. $50 each. That's unbeatable, honestly. All right, we're almost there. So we made it. Premier Auto Body. Xotic's here, and then my boy Stu 50s is here. The Naruto Gray one. He's getting a whole exhaust system. He has headers on the way, test pipe on the way, but right now he's putting the cap back, and it looks fuego. It has mufflers and 2 resonators over there. Basically, this is the eBay one, and I'll let you know how it sounds, because a lot of people roast on it, but they sound pretty valid.
I can't be playing myself. No, I can't be. No, I can't be. I can't be playing myself.
They just finished, and let's hear it now. I can't wait for it. That's going on his car, because it's a little. All of our cars are a little too raspy. So let's hear this. I can't wait for his headers and his test pipes to come, because that's gonna be crazy. So stay tuned for the next vlog. Damn. My son got shit stained. No. He did it purpose. I know.
2 seconds later.
We brought it outside because it echoes too much inside. So let's hear how this sounds. Vibrant. This is a resonator I was talking about. Best resonator out there. Makes your shit deeper. Also, the car is on the lift. I cannot stress how much this shop does for us, so definitely pull up here. Cheapest prices in NYC. By City Field, Premier Auto, Elmhurst. Body,
right by City Field.
Shit, Elmhurst. So these are the resonators. Super small, but it makes your car super deep. Vibrant?
That's how it goes?
Yeah. They get 2.
2.
Because there's 2 res. So yeah. Lucky ass kid. This man only needs 1, bro. This man only needs 1. Must be nice for that Lexus. Must be nice.
No, I can't be. No, I can't be. Now can we get it right for a moment? Can we get it right?
12 seconds later.
They just cut the resonator off, and they're gonna have to cut the new. I mean, wait, no, there was just a straight pipe. Cut the pipe off, and they're gonna have to cut the new resonator a little bit to make it fit in here. Yeah, you touching your fuel lines? Yeah. You wanna make a cut on it?
You might need to.
They just completed the left side. Done. Now they're doing the right one.
Now can we get it right for a moment? Can we get it right? Whoa. Right for a moment. Can we get it right?
They just finished. I'm gonna start it. Hopefully it's deeper. Hopefully.
It should be deeper.
It is deeper.
A few moments later.
He just finished, so it's your turn now. Rev your baby.
One eternity later.
Came back to Edison, the chill spot, and they both got their resonator installed. Sounds way better. This sounds less of a VQ now. Let me hear it, let me hear it. Test pipes next week?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, alright, say less. We're going to install the test pipes tomorrow. And Tavik's car, this is what it sounds with the, he has one resonator, and this is what it sounds like. Sounds much better. Before it was so raspy, it was worse than my car. And my car's pretty bad. Ignore the little spare tire, but yeah. We can photo shoot real quick. My boy Maheen's taking pictures, and we got a whole lineup. We got Izzy VQ. And this is my other boy's new 350Z. He got it painted Nardo Gray. Those are the headlights I got for him. He paid, but I just went and got it for him. We got f***ing lock cord. My bad. And then we got Maheen's boys and stuff, but the shotgun's right there. The paint job came out fire on the 350Z. He still has to go get it polished, so gotta wait on that. So it's gonna be even more shinier. But here's a back shot of all the cars. He's taking pictures of my cars right now. Let me go show you his car.
Now can we get it right for a moment? Now can we get it right?
This is Maheen's car.
Like this, I say, yeah, baby, just chill. Getting high off of this from cannabis. We do not mix with ass. They got us rolling, good vibes be flowing. We gotta live our life.
We're at a new spot now. Me and Lockhorse taking a picture, but it's not a new spot. We were like over there somewhere, and we came over here. More boys pulled up.
Had it like this, I say, yeah, baby, just chill. Getting high off of this from cannabis. We do not mix with ass. They got us rolling, good vibes be flowing. We gotta live our lives, trill. We gotta live our lives, trill. Yeah, we gotta live our lives.